Linking of Bhajagovindam slokas with 5 Ds told by Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba is made in 2 separate presentations. In this presentation, you can see linking some of the slokas with duty and devotion.
Adi Shankara was born in Kaladi village of the Kerala state. His parents were Aryamba and Shivaguru. At a very early age itself, he took sannyasa ashramam and mastered Veda Vedangas at his guru Govinda Bhagavat Padulu. According to his guru's command, he left for Kasi, argued with the Pandits, established Advaita Siddhantam, wrote commentaries on the Upanishads, Brahma Sutras, and the Bhagavad Gita. One day, while walking on the banks of river Ganga at Kasi, he noticed a man repeating the grammar points Dukrang Karane for earning his livelihood. Seeing this, Shankaracharya wanted to enlighten the people not to waste their precious life in pursuit of academic qualifications, but to put it into practice for spiritual enfoldment right from childhood to gain the grace of Lord. There are 12 important slokas named as Dwadasa Manjari. In addition to that, there are 14 slokas of his disciples and 5 additional blessing slokas, which sums up to a total of 31 slokas, which are called Mohamudgara or the Bhajagovindam slokas. This is a humble effort in linking some of these slokas to 5 Ds told by Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Many slokas can be related to each D and 2 or 3 Ds, also depending on the interpretation of the individual. In this presentation, with our limited knowledge and experience, and also keeping in mind the view of the Bal Vikas children, some of the slokas are linked with the 5 Ds. Bal Vikas gurus may interpret their ideas of linking of other slokas also and teach the children. There is no hard and fast rule that all the Bal Vikas gurus follow the above strictly.
Let me tell you what are Bhajagovindam slokas in short that we could link to the 5 Ds told by Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Slokas Bhajagovindam Bhajagovindam. Second, Geyam Kita Nama Sahasram. Duty. Sloka Guru Charanambuja. Devotion. Slokas Balasthavat Krida Saktah. Second, Mudhajahihi Dhanagama Trishna. Discipline. Slokas Geyam Kita Nama Sahasram. Second, Satsangatve Nitsangatvam. Discrimination. Sloka Nalini Talagata Jalamati Taralam. Determination.
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि रक्षति डुक्कृङ्करणे. Meaning of the above sloka. Sing the glory of Lord Govinda. Utter the name of Lord Govinda. Oh, you ignorant person, you should go on uttering the name of the Lord. It will not be possible for you to do so when death faces you and you are close to it. Reciting rules of grammar cannot save you. Now, listen to the poem told by Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba in Telugu for the above Sanskrit sloka.
Hari Govinda, Hari Govinda, Hari Govinda, Naramanda, మృత్యుదాపు నమసలేటప్పుడు వ్యాకరణము కాపాడదురా.
గేయం గీతా నామ సహస్రం ధ్యేయం శ్రీపతిరూపమజస్రం నేయం సజ్జన సంగే చిత్తం దేయం దీనజనాయ చ విత్తం. Meaning of the above sloka. Sing the Gita, utter the 1,000 names of the Lord, meditate continuously on Sripati, spend your time in the company of the good, give away your wealth to the weak and needy people. Now, listen to the poem told by Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba in Telugu for the above Sanskrit sloka.
పాడుము గీతలు నామ సహస్రము భగవంతుని రూపము భావింపు సలుపుమెప్పుడు సజ్జన సాంగత్యము దీనజనులకై దానము చేయుము.
Duty. How to explain this? Human birth is very precious. So, we should not waste time in worldly pursuits. Utilize every moment in continuous contemplation, reciting Bhajagovindam, chanting Vishnu Sahasranamam, meditating on the form of Lord Vishnu, making friends with good people, and utilizing our resources in the service of the needy. These are our spiritual duties in life as recommended by Sri Shankaracharya and also Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba to realize God. Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba says, by singing Gita, we will turn our minds away from the material desires and mitigating our restlessness, as Gita is the essence of Vedanta. About the 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu, the Sahasranama. It is customary in our country to regard Lord as having several forms and names, so that when man gets maturity of mind, will come to understand that God is omniscient and abides in all creation. For promoting good qualities like doing good work and good ideas, one should move in good society. Sharing of wealth with those who deserve to be helped. A portion of whatever we earn must be set apart for the future and good of our children, and a portion for charity and for helping others.
गुरुचरणाम्बुज निर्भर भक्तः संसारादचिराद्भवमुक्तः सेन्द्रियमानसनियमादेवं द्रक्ष्यसि निजहृदयस्थं देवम्. Meaning of the above sloka. The vision of God that resides in the heart can be had through unwavering devotion for the lotus feet of Guru and by freeing oneself from the shackles of family and by controlling mind and the sense organs. Now, listen to the poem told by Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba in Telugu for the above Sanskrit sloka.
సద్గురు చరణాబ్జముపై భక్తి త్వరగా ముక్తికి తరలే మార్గము ఇంద్రియ మానస సాంద్ర నియమమే హృదయస్థుని చూపించును దేవుని.
Devotion. One must have unwavering devotion or faith in God whatever may happen to his or her physical body, like Prahlada, the Gopikas, and Mirabai. It is the unconditional surrender and pure devotion that leads to the relation with the Lord. With complete control of mind and senses, we have to develop devotion and love for God. It is only for that unconditional love which frees us from the shackles of samsara and attain the grace of God. With His divine grace, we realize that He is seated right inside our heart. Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba started his divine mission by singing Manasa Bhajare Guru Charanam. That tells us about the importance of keeping unwavering faith in our Guru to cross this deep ocean of life filled with crocodiles and whales of desires and attachment. Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba also says, such a Guru who lights up Atma Jyoti in us by appearing at an appropriate time and teaches what is right and what is good, helps us to practice the sacred principles contained in the Shastras and helps to calm our mind. He is the real Guru. For example, Sukha was the real Guru of King Parikshit, who appeared to him at the appropriate time and enlightened him. We all know that Bal Vikas children are taught prayer, slokas, for developing devotion from the early age.
समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु